Okay, I'm back. Turns out the program I'm using maxes out at 10 minutes anyway, but it shows for 4 different brain waves, and off the top of my head, I don't know the difference between them, but some of them are for more like a sleep state, and some are for an alertness state. And it has, I think for each person, you would have to figure out your own where you should set each thing, but gain, I'm pretty sure it's the sensitivity of it. So if I turn it all the way up, it's full. If I turn it down, you're not going to get much out of it. So I'll just set it right there at that. And then buffer is, I'm pretty sure you have a zero buffer. That means it's closer to real time. And if you have max the buffer, I'm pretty sure that means it's any anomaly that comes up won't really get factored in. It's kind of like a running average because random things will pop up. Like let's say I'll put it right there, and I'll lower the gain. But if I simulate yawning, it will fire it all off. Um, but if you're doing some type of research on how the brain reacts to something, and someone yawns, that might throw things off. So you might want to raise the buffer for that running average to not have that problem. Um, and again, I don't really know how to interpret this stuff, but that's something hopefully I'll learn along the way. And now I'll just go to their website. Effective Suite, still not working. Oh well. But you get the idea. And here's the website. They have 3 versions of headsets. There's the consumer's version, which I have, and it was $300, which some people in class said is expensive, but I don't think it's all that expensive for what you get. It's cheaper than an iPad, and it opens you up to a new world of what I see in the future will be something we see on a regular basis, and kind of puts you in the know of what's coming down the road. And these are some of the apps that you can download, and they vary in price. Some are free, some cost money. Here's a more like 3D version of the brain activity map. And there's games. Like this is a demo game that comes with it to help you practice, push, pull, lift. This one right here I thought was interesting, where you can index your Flickr photos by emotions. So if you look at your photos and some of them make you feel happy, it can tag them by happiness or sadness, frustration, and then you can bring them up if you want to see them. And these here are keyboards, and I think these again for not something you would use unless you had for medical reasons you needed to use it, because I think it is slower than just normal typing, but if it's something you needed, it definitely is a good thing to have. And then there's just other things like Mastermind. You can interface the Neuroheadset with Call of Duty or World of Warcraft on your computer, but it is difficult. It's a whole new skill you have to learn. You can't just day one push, pull, lift. It's a skill you have to learn, and that's about it. They also have the developer version, which is it allows you to write your own apps. It gives you more insight into what's going on with the headset, and you can create your own apps and sell them through the website. And there's the research edition, which gives you more features, more information, raw data on the actual brain waves. And that is about it. Goodbye.